we have a chemical equation. We have to balance this equation. Now let's divide this equation into parts. As we have one reactant here, that's A. Let's say it as A. Okay. The other Hg as B, and the other one is C. Okay. We have to write the elements. Okay. Hg is the first one element, Hg is one element, and O is the other element. Okay. Now we have to write the number of elements present in the given element. Okay. In A, one Hg is present. One in A. Now it is separated by the reactant. So let's give it equal. Reactants on one side and the products on the other side. Okay. Now 1A. We have one electron of Hg in the A. Okay. A part. And one in the B. One in the B. Okay. Now let's do the same for the oxygen. We have one oxygen in A, and that equals to two oxygens in C. Okay. Now we have to just solve this linear equation. We have to just solve this equation, and we get the equation balanced. We get the values of ABC, and we substitute the ABC values, and our equation is solved. Let's check it. Let A equals to 1. Let A equals to 1. Now substituting A, we get B equals to 1. That's it. Substituting A equals to 1, we get B equals to 1. Now let's solve this equation too. We know that A equals to 1 is 2C. Okay. Then 2C equals to 1, and C value is 1 by 2. That's it. We divided the equation into three parts, and now we have the A value, B value, and the C value, and the C value. Okay. Now let's substitute these values in the equation. Okay. See, here we have A equals to 1, B equals to 1, C equals to 1. Now in the equation, HgO gives Hg plus O2. Here A gets 1, B gets 1, and C gets 1 by 2. Okay. Now an element cannot be half, so let's remove this 2. How can we remove this 2? Just multiplying this equation by 2. Okay. Just multiplying this equation by 2. Now let's multiply the equation by 2. 2HgO, we get 2HgO gives 2Hg plus, and here 2 1 by 2 O2. Okay. Now simplifying this equation, we get 2HgO gives 2Hg. Here 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get plus O2. That's it. Our equation is balanced. Some another equation. Now let's do the same. We name here A, B, C, and D. We have 4 parts. 2 in the reactants and 2 in the products. So we have named them A, B, C, and D. We have 3 elements here. We have 1 in the A and 1 in the C. 1 in the C. We have 1 in the A and 1 in the C. Now for carbon, we have 1 in B, 2 in C, plus 1 in D. 1 in D. Okay. Now for the oxygen, we have 1 oxygen in A, that equals to 1 oxygen in D. Okay. 1 oxygen in D. Now let's do the same. Let A be 1. So 1 of 1 gives 1C. C equals to 1. We got a C value as 1. Okay. Let's substitute 1 ones, 1 D. We got D value 1. Okay. Now let's substitute C and D values in this equation. 1B gives 2 times of C plus 1 times of D. Okay. Now 1B, B equals to 2 plus 1. So B equals to 3. We got A, B, C and D values. Now let's substitute in the equation. That's it. We have the values of A, B, C and D. Now let's substitute this in the equation. CaO plus C gives CaC2 plus CO. A1, B3, C1 and D1. Or that's it, our equation is solved. You can solve any equation, any unbalanced equation by this method. That's it for now. Thank you.